Hi everyone, I have a tutorial on how to fold this paper wreath on my Instagram and TikTok. Someone asking if I can fold it using dollar bills. Yes, you can, and here I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can basically fold it with any bills that you have. So I'm going to use dollar bill. The thing is, you need to measure. This is 6.5. So you need a rectangle with a ratio of 2:1. So if this is 6.5, so that means the length of here should be about 13 centimeter. So I'm going to fold that. Now this is ratio 2:1 here. And fold in half. Fold the corners up and fold this corner up. And then fold in half. That's it, and you need to do it the same step for another 7. And now you just need to join them like this. And just push it in to make it tighter. That's it, and you could put a string like this, and then now you could hang it on your Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.